What's up YouTube, Nolan here. So today I'm going to tell you how I just bought some Shiba Inu Coin, the Doge Killer. And guys, this is the easiest method on the internet right now. One of the easiest coins that you can buy. And I'm going to show you step by step how you can get your hands on some SHIB coin today. Also guys, we are doing a giveaway on the channel, so if you want to learn how you can have a chance of getting your hands on 50 bucks to get started with some investing, or maybe to just buy yourself some Shiba Inu coin, then stay tuned to the end of the video. Okay guys, step number one, you need to go in and download the Cryptocom app either for iPhone or Android. Once you get the app, you're going to need to go in and create yourself a Crypto.com account. And guys, they're going to ask for all your information, and I think this is a pretty trustworthy app. It's very well known, it has very high ratings, so I don't think you have to worry too much about giving them all of your information. And they have a lot of people right now trying to sign up for their app, so it's going to take a little bit for them to verify your account, and you're not going to be able to use the account until they verify it. So it took me about half a day from when I gave them all my information to when they sent me a message saying that I'd been verified. It took me about 12 hours. Okay, once you get verified and you get into the app, what you want to do is go in and hit that main Crypto.com button right down at the bottom of the app. Then you want to go in and click buy down on the bottom left. Then click Shiba Inu, and then you're going to want to adjust the amount of coin that you want to buy. And I think the minimum is 200,000 Shiba, which right now is about $4. Okay, then go ahead and go down and click add credit or debit card. And guys, I tried to add a credit card and it wouldn't let me process it. So I had to go in and add my debit card, and they processed an 8-cent fee just to verify that my card was working. But I got that 8-cent charge back after a few days. After you add your card, then you can go in and click buy SHIB, click I understand, and then you can click confirm. Now guys, the first time I tried to buy some, I got this error message saying that it had timed out because of a price change. But the next day, the Shiba showed up in my account. And I think the way you know that if you got it or not is if your bank account was actually charged. So if you go in and see that they had actually taken that money out, then you know that you actually got the Shiba, but it's just going to take a day maybe for it to actually show up in your wallet. And that's it guys, so hopefully y'all can get your hands on some Shiba coin. Now guys, let's talk about that giveaway before you click off of this video. So if you want to have a chance of getting 50 bucks in your pocket so that you can buy some more Shiba, that's about 3 million Shiba, at least right now at the current price. So if you want a chance of getting that 50 bucks, all you have to do is first of all make sure you're subscribed to the channel, then also like this video and comment down below. And guys, I hope y'all have an awesome day. I hope y'all get lots of Shiba, and I hope we all make a lot of profit. Anyway, y'all take it easy, and I'll see you in the next video.